In today's video, guys, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious bourbon brown sugar pork chop recipe. Now we're gonna start today's recipe off by blending our ingredients, right? We're gonna start off by making our marinade. So here I have some fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic, and some fresh ginger. Add that to your blender. And here I have about half cup of vegetable oil. Pour it in. Also have half cup of soy sauce. And a little less than half cup of water, room temperature. Now we're gonna blend all these lovely ingredients, guys. And that's it for our marinade, all right? So we're gonna marinate our pork chops for about 1 hour, and toss it in the refrigerator. Let it sit for 1 hour. Before we get to that point, we're gonna start by cleaning up the pork chop, right? We're gonna add some vinegar, water, rinse it off nice and proper. Make sure it's good to go. Then we're gonna add our seasoning and our marinade. Stay tuned, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, so here I have my pork chop. These are like thin cut pork chops. I have 6 pieces for this recipe today, all right? So like I said before, we're gonna rinse it off. Add some vinegar. Set that aside. We're gonna drain that off real quick. So we're gonna rinse it off like 2 to 3 times, guys, just to make sure it's nice and clean. All right. Look how beautiful it is right now. Nice and clean. All right. So now the next step, like I said, we're gonna add our seasoning. Add our blended herb marinade that we made earlier, and then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off by adding our Lawry's all-purpose chicken seasoning, all right? So we're not gonna add too much because the salt content in this is a lot. So we're just gonna keep it nice and simple. Just a little bit, not much. Just like that. We're not gonna overdo it, guys. Don't want the pork to be salty, I think we are good. All right, so we're gonna set this aside. Add some Szechuan seasoning. This is 2 packets, as you can see right here. Yeah, 2 packets. We're gonna add that in. And 2 packets is equivalent to about a tablespoon, guys. Add some complete seasoning. Not a lot. Like I said, guys, you don't want to over season the pork chop. All right. And finally, we're going to add some Easy Spice Jamaican pork seasoning. It's going to add a nice flavor to it. Turn it up a notch. Yeah, man. Me personally, guys, I don't like my food, my meat, anything that I'm eating to be bland. You can season your food without over seasoning it. You get me, I say? Yeah, man, food if you have seasoning. Yeah, man. That is it. All right, so now mix it up just like that. And then you want to add that lovely marinade. All right, guys. Pour that on top. Smelling good. Look at that, guys. Smell it. Ooh. Yeah, man. So you see that scotch bonnet, guys? Go add a nice, fruity, spicy flavor to it. That Jamaican flavor, by the way. And the ginger, oh my God, trust me, ginger and pork is a perfect combination, guys. Trust me. So we're gonna toss this in the fridge, let it sit for 1 hour to be exact. Then we're gonna remove it, sear our pork chop until it's nice and juicy and fully cooked. We're not gonna overcook it. Stay tuned. Yeah man, so now we're gonna get the pan nice and hot, get the pan ready, all right? So we're gonna add some grapeseed oil, a decent amount, enough, you know, to sear the pork. So we're gonna add about a half a cup of oil, all right, grapeseed oil. Or if you have vegetable oil, you can use that as well. Ooh. Shake off that extra marinade, you know. Yeah man, so fry up the pork chop guys for about 3 minutes per side, and then we're gonna remove them from the pan and start making our bourbon glazed sauce, alright? Stay tuned. Give it a nice little flip. Look at that. That's what you're looking for, you know? That nice, crispy sear on the outside, juicy on the inside. Yeah man, so at this point guys, you want to add some butter. And right now I'm making the glaze that's going to be smothered on top of the pork chops, all right? So once the butter is fully melted, guys, you want to add your brown sugar. Mix it up. And once the sugar becomes caramelized, then we're going to add our bourbon. We're going to add about a cup of bourbon, guys. And then it's going to be nice, glazy. You know, it's going to be gooey, a nice little sauce. Smelling good. All right, so this is how it's looking right now. All right. Alright, so it's going to turn to caramel, and then we're going to add our bourbon right here. This is about a cup. And we're going to let this cook for a little bit on low heat, let it simmer. We're just cooking away some of that alcohol, you know. Alright, and now we're just gonna drop the pork chops them right back in. Just like that. Ooh. Yes guys, and let me tell you, turn it back up to high heat, bring to a boil. And this sauce right here, guys, this glaze is gonna add a nice, tangy, fruity flavor, you know, to our bourbon glazed pork chops. Trust me, this is a must-try recipe, guys. I can't wait to try it and let you know how it turned out. Ooh. Yes, yes, smelling good, guys. All right, so you wanna cook this for about 5 minutes, guys, on medium heat. You know, once it comes to a boil, turn it down, and you should be good. 5 minutes, that's it, kids. Remember, the pork chops is already cooked. Pork chop is already cooked, so we're just trying to make the glaze that goes on top to give it that finishing touch, and we should be good. All right, guys, so like I said, my favorite part of the video, you see how juicy this is? How tender? Wow. Look at that, guys. Look. Close up look, guys. Yes. Wow. This is so good. Yes, guys, this is a must-try recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.